Hi, I am Morgan. I'm teaching at Throckmorton Elementary. Here are my students' lockers where they'll put their backpacks and get their work out for the day. Here I will be putting up artwork or good classwork. And then here is my classroom. In here, students will put their tubs, the purple tubs that they'll carry from class to class, on this back counter back here, and they'll get their pencil bags out and they will will go to their desks. Whenever we get our journals set up, they will be stored in the classroom in the tubs back here. They're from second grade math, second grade science, third grade math, and then fourth grade math. And then if they have any homework or anything that needs to be turned in, there's these trays that are labeled. For this first week, we'll get to know each other. So we have how we'll set up our pencil bags, our Avid binder tabs, and what will go in our purple tub that we'll carry from class to class. We'll also set up our classroom contracts, which will be on this back wall back here. And we'll set up our journals, and then we'll go over our rules for our classroom library and our class pet turtle. We're really just going to focus on getting to know each other and to have a good classroom environment. After we've gone through the content or when they come into the classroom, they'll either get their Chromebooks or their journals, and there will be a question on the board for them to answer. And then if they need a little break from doing work once we start content, they'll get to come over here to the brain break zone where there's Legos, Play-Dohs, or dry erase board on the locker or the filing cabinet, and then fun bags that are set up just to kind of cause them a little bit of calmness in the process. And then once we're done, we'll put our Chromebooks up back into the cabinet. We'll grab our tubs on the back of the counter, and then they will go to their next class.